Okay, so in the last video I showed you how to get started on Weebly, and I'm just going to show you a couple of the basic editing functions on Weebly. There's a million, but you really don't need that many, honestly. Once you learn a couple of them, you can do a lot of tricks and make a very nice looking site. So as I showed you before, this is my site, which is the real site that you're currently on. And this is the dummy site that we're just using for this tutorial. So, and if I want to, by the way, I can make a third site. Don't want to, but I could. So let's look at this dummy site again. Click on Edit, and we'll go back to where we started. Wait a minute, that's not it. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Let's try that again. Right, my site. Ugh, sorry, it's a bit late. Okay, yeah, this is the dummy site. Okay, so pretty generic, but it's something to start with, right? They give you the layout. You can choose different layouts, and you can play around with it. So first of all, you'll see text on here. They set up some generic text. So you just click. You want to it just says my site. Well, we want to change that, so we'll call it Frank's dummy site, because that's what it is. It's just a practice site. I can highlight this and play around with it. If you want to add a logo, you can. There's all kinds of options. Anyway, right. If I want to add some text, well, let's just look at what's here first. We'll wait on that. They've given me this image of some trees in a forest, but if I don't want the image, I can choose something different. They have their default images: a girl on the swing, on the beach, some mountain biker in Utah or something related to golf. Yeah, use it if you want it. I think it's kind of boring. Well, I should go back. Let me go back. I'm getting too fast. You can go down here. You can choose your own image. You can save an image from the internet, something that's already on your computer. So you click, if you want to do that, you click here, upload image, and that's an image from your own computer or something you've saved from the internet. So I click here again. I upload a photo from my computer. Yep. What have we got? Well, I'll use this. This is the Weebly logo. It's just a picture. It's just an image. You can see us now uploading that. Okay, there you go. I've chosen the Weebly logo. That is now the new image on the backdrop. If I like it, if I like the way it looks, I press save. There's all kinds of stuff you can play around with. This is for the text, the brightness or lightness of the text. You just got to play around to get used to it. I can't make a tutorial to cover everything, but you just play with it. And as you play with it, you get used to the different options. So sure, this looks fine. Of course, you can't read this writing, but whatever. Press save. I'm going to save to only this page, only the home page. Okay. So I'm not bothering with the aesthetics. If you want to make it more beautiful or cooler or nicer, play around. Obviously, this white against white does not really work. But who cares? Yep, again, there's an image down here. So once again, you just click on that image, edit image. If you want a slideshow where it goes through numerous photos, you can, but you got to pay for that. Free though, you can click edit image. And same idea, add an image. So once again, I click upload a photo from my computer. I've done that. Right, it's a picture of the Pittsburgh Pirates baseball team in the 1970s. No connection to this site whatsoever, except that I think it's kind of a cool picture. This picture is too big for the format on the page, but I can mess around with it. I can go down here to this circle and make it smaller. I can make it even bigger. I can hold it down and move it around to choose what I want to show. Basically anything that's in this lighter box is what's going to appear on the page. I press OK. Done. Beauty and logic is not the point of this page. I'm happy with it, so again I'm going to press up here, I'm going to press save. And save to this page only. Okay, now I have a thoroughly weird page. That's how I choose my pictures. Different templates have different layouts of photos, but that's the basic. If I want to add more pictures, that's fine. I come over to the sidebar and I find this box which says image. I hold it down, click, hold it down, drag it here, let go, and it says upload image. I can press it again and add another picture. So we'll add yet another picture, which is yet again totally unconnected to anything else. Right, here's something from an old book, which I thought was kind of cool. This is a nonsense page for sure, but whatever. Okay, so if you want to add a headline, you can. This page makes no sense. That's fine. That's a headline. If you want to add a subdescription, you can. You just click. And click somewhere else, and it's all ready to go. It's done. If I want to save my progress anytime, I can come up here to the upper right and press publish. It's publishing it. And that's that. Frank is my colleague.weebly.com has been published again. It's now got the new pictures on it. So let's take a look. This is what it used to look like. I'm going to go to Google. Okay, and let's look at it now. I've published it since, so yeah, it's not showing up in Google Feed. It does eventually show up in Google Feed, but it takes about a day, has been my experience. So we'll just type in the address. Frank is my colleague.weebly.com. And there it is. Really on the internet, any person in any country around the world can come and enjoy whatever this is. That's not the point. The point is that you can quickly publish any website, and your students can too. It just takes a little bit of playing around with the system. I'm going to make a third video showing how you insert text, and a YouTube video, and maybe a little bit of other stuff. Starting right now.